Hey, this is Michael again with Pinching Snuff and Fixing Stuff. So what we're going to do today is we're going to put a coil on a 2010 Nissan Titan. So I bought this truck and got it home. Noticed it had a misfire on cylinder 2. So I went to the store and got a coil. So the coil part number is going to be right here. It's an expensive little jewel. They're very proud of it. So I think it was about 90 bucks for that. And but I hooked the scanner to it when I got it home, and it shows it was misfiring on cylinder 2. It runs fine, but I want to fix it before it gets out of control. So let's take you down here to the coil. So it's number 2 with these trucks here. I'm not familiar with them, but it's the right side of the engine is 1357, over here is 2468. So we're going to get you down to the coil. Having a little trouble with my camera here. So the coil right here. Well, that's probably what's wrong with it there. Let's see. I would imagine. I'd imagine that's what's wrong with it, wouldn't you think? So now, might as well change the plug while I'm at it. If I can get down in there too. Oh, there's weight in it. I have to have 14 extensions to get to that thing. Might as well change it while we're here. How's everybody doing today? Hope everybody's having a blessed day. It's been a nice couple of days. I know y'all can't see much on that video. I'm trying. It's down in there in the bottom tier of the upper echelons here. Let's see if we can get you a better view. Well, it's about the best I won't be able to get y'all. Y'all gonna look at the side of the truck there. You can hear the ratchet. We're doing something. Let's see if I can. I'm just blessed that I can have a day out here just chilling out and enjoying what I like to do. Actually, interested to look at this plug. Got a good deal on this little truck. I liked it. So, yeah, she's dirty. There's my plug. We're going to go ahead and put a new one in her. I'll get them all here one day. I just wanted to get this Misfire out of here. But I'd say most of the time, coil packs and stuff, they get neglected, I think. Because, I mean, heck, they're $90 a piece. And if you go buy all 8 of them, shoot, man. Without the plug, you're looking at $800. I mean, people ain't got that kind of money. That thing's screwing in or what? Maybe this little truck will last me for a while, I don't know. It ain't acting like it's screwing in there. That would be just lovely, wouldn't it? Who knows, we might sell it one day here soon. Oh, just got a good deal. Figured I'd buy it. You put that wire right in the dang way. Well, the bad thing is when that thing fell off, I dropped my boat. So now I'm going to have to find it. And I hope it went all the way to the ground. Go get you a string light too. It's a good light. There she is. I'm not really going to be able to tell if it fixed it because it wasn't acting weird. I mean, Just I hooked the scanner to it and seen the fault. But it's obviously something wrong when your coil comes apart. Let me bring y'all with me over here. Sorry you couldn't see, but anyway. So we changed this one here. This was, I don't know if you can see it real good, but it's burnt. It came apart. See it burnt? It's got stuff coming out of it. So hang tight right here. I know I'm flipping y'all all over the place. And I'll go grab the key. I don't think I got it in my pocket. No, I drove the car, so I'll go get the key. Alright, I'm bringing y'all with me. We'll start this thing up and see what it does. Thanks for being with me here on the channel. Like I said, it runs good, so I'm not really going to be able to tell anything about it because it was running fine. Show you around the truck. It's just a 2010 Nissan Titan. It's got the I like the sliding back window in it. It's pretty neat. That's the back window. I thought that was cool. Got a lot of fold up room. So I needed a decent truck, so I bought it. But I mean, I don't have a check engine light or nothing on now. I don't remember it ever having one when I scanned it. I bought it, I brought it home and scanned it, and it had a fault, so I addressed the fault right away. But she seems to be running fine. I don't know much about these 5-6 liter V8s in the Titans, if they're any good or not, but we'll cruise it around for a little while. See. So thanks for checking out the channel. Subscribe, share. I've got some more stuff I've got to do. A lot more to come as it warms up, as I stated in my last videos. I just enjoy these pretty days. Could have been a little more sunnier out, but it's a fun day. Thank all y'all. Have a good day. See you next time.